You can tell the story of the watch. I think we bought the watch. Your watch, we bought that around the same time.
So, we were completely flat broke. People ask me, I'll start from the beginning. People ask me today why I wear a watch that's worth no more than maybe $1,000 if I tried to sell it secondhand. Brand new, you could buy something equivalent for about $2.5. It's a Versace watch, gold plated. I don't have a Rolex. I don't have a Hublot. I don't actually own another watch. This watch doesn't even tell the time. It is broken. It has been 20 minutes past 11 for the last God knows how long. It's the middle of the afternoon here. I wear this watch because it is a reminder of the indomitable spirit of man. My brother went to Slovakia. Well, we were both in Slovakia, but I came home one day before because my holiday pay had run out and I had to go to work. So he calls me and said, something amazing's happened. I won some money in the casino. I'm like, really? How much? He said, 5,000 euros. I'm like, fucking good. We need to pay the rent. We got these payments to make on the car insurance and we need the money. Good. Take that 5,000 euro. Don't go back to the casino. He comes home. I said, where's the cash? He goes, I don't have any cash. I bought this watch. This watch cost what back then? This is what, 10, 11 years ago? Probably 4,000 something euros. He'd spent it all on this fucking watch. And it wasn't an argument as such, but I was pissed. You know, I'm like, we need to pay the rent. We need to pay this. How can you just spend it all on a watch? What's that watch going to do for you? And you said to me, we'll make more money. Don't worry, we'll make more money. So we had our little argument, you know, and got on with life. And I completely forgot about that small falling out until it's about 6 years ago now, or about 6 years ago. I was 24, you were 25. And we had indeed made more money. And we were walking through Westfield Shopping Center and you bought your Hublot watch. You saw it for sale. It was 12,900 British pounds. And you said, I like that watch. I said, okay, go get the watch. You walk to the shop, you use the card, you get the watch. And then you take this one off and you give it to me and you say, Tristan, do you remember when I said we'd make more money? And I was like, you motherfucker. We did.
I was right.
Yeah.
At the time, that was all our money. And then we were buying watches and it was fucking not even a thing.
So this is a reminder of Andrew's unshakable self-confidence in himself and a reminder to myself to remember that I am one of the Tate brothers. I'm not the guy who's going to be crying about, oh, we can't pay our bills, this, that. No. I'll make more money. If there's something I want, I'll make more. And that has been my attitude ever since that argument, in fact. But I wear this watch as a reminder. That's why I don't take this off. And that's why I don't have a Rolex. And that's why when I hang around people who are very rich and have very nice watches, I say, oh, why are you wearing just a Versace watch, but you drive a £250,000 car? Because I like this watch. That's why.